Hey Cruise Crew, we're Kat and Matt from Kat and Matt Getaways. We show you what really happens on cruises. This is real travel. The sunsets, the cocktails, the screw-ups, and the moments that make cruising worth it. To plan it like it's ours every time. That means you get real hacks, hidden ports, food worth splurging on, and the rookie mistakes you can skip. So if you want less stress, more laughs, and a cruise that actually feels like a vacation, hit subscribe and join the crew. Remember, until we see you again, ship happens. We lived in Seattle at the time, just south, about an hour south in a town called Olympia. We made the ultimate rookie mistake. First cruise, we booked travel on the same day as the cruise. Any seasoned cruiser out there is going to tell you, never book same day travel as your cruise. Ship happens. And I mean it. Ship happens. It's 4 a.m. Kat and I are in the car. We're exhausted. The kids are fighting in the back seat. We all pile in. We start driving to Sea-Tac airport, and we get there and pull up to the JetBlue counter, and lady goes, "Your flight's canceled." And I was like, No, can't be canceled. We can't do this. No, I just spent $5,000. I got kids here. Not my finest moment. I will say that. I got very heated. In the video, I actually talk about going full Karen on this gate agent and having security and TSA and eventually Seattle Sea-Tac police coming over to escort me away from the counter. And meanwhile, as I'm melting down because I've just lost $5,000 on this cruise, Kat's disappeared, and she went down and bought 4 airline tickets to LA through Alaska for the tune of about $3,000, everything we had to spend on the cruise. And we made it to the port, running through the terminal like just nuts. We got on board with 9 minutes to spare. Our very first cruise started off with the most chaotic experience that we looked at each other and said, we're never doing this again. And I'm not talking about cruising because that very next day, Kat and I are on deck. It's about 6 a.m. because I'm an early riser. I always have been. I got coffee in my hand because we're from Seattle and I love coffee. And we are watching that sunrise come up. And for the very first time, and I can't remember how long on vacation, it was peace. We're watching the ocean, the waves. It's absolutely quiet on our balcony. It's beautiful. You got dolphins that are swimming right beside you at times. And I often hear, why cruising? I'm not a cruise person. I can't figure that out because when I ask about vacations, it's always the same thing. So what did you do? Oh, I drove here. I flew here. I ran around. I drove. I packed. I cleaned. I was taking care of other people. It's not like that on a cruise. Everything's taken care of for you. You get on board and you don't drive anywhere. You don't have to worry about what you're going to eat that night. You don't have to worry about what entertainment you're going to watch or what you're going to do for fun because these ships are just packed with stuff and it's really easy to relax. And that's what we did. And we've been doing it ever since. And after 10 years of doing this, even there was a little slowdown with COVID. We didn't get to cruise, but now we're back at it. This year we've done 3. We've got couple more booked, which I'm going to talk about here in a moment. And we're not slowing down. And we want to share that with others. So, don't do it. Don't. I hope you realize that you can ruin that vacation right on day one. And that's what that embarkation series are. 10 shorts. They're no longer than 45 seconds each one. It's really simple. Again, there's a long on there if you want to take a look and make it just one shot and done. You can definitely do that. We would greatly appreciate any comments that you would have. Give us a thumbs up. I'm not one of those guys that's going to ask you to like, subscribe, and notify. I think that's important, but only if I'm bringing value. And if I can help people get on board and really experience what we did, that's worth it to me. So our next section, this is the one that I've been waiting for like 2 weeks. I actually just had a guest come into the room. I wanted to introduce it. Oh, there it is. You know what time it is. It is time for, it jumped too quick. Kat's Concoctions. 1 second, we're going to take that one down and take this one up. Every week we're going to do a drink from different cruise lines. This one happens to be from Royal, and this is my favorite drink. This is called the Goombay Smash.
You don't remember because we're smashed.
I don't remember because I was smashed. Why don't you come say hi to everybody, baby?
I'll try to.
All right. I told you the office, the studio is tiny, but it's still bigger than your cruise cabin. So this is our Goombay Smash. Kat's going to walk us through what goes in it, and I'm going to pull it up on the screen right now.
Oh, and my glass in there.
Oh, she's got her glass. We're going to turn the camera just a little bit to watch her put together this beautiful drink. And while she's doing that, I'm going to enjoy mine.
Didn't have any umbrellas or pineapple, so you got a orange straw with some tropical colors going on.
I got to say, this is pretty close. I'm like, oh my goodness.
So you're going to start off with a shaker of ice, and I've already added the juice to it. So you're going to, for one drink, you're going to add 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 2 ounces of orange juice over your ice, and then going to add 1 ounce. See my cup? You don't carry it.
No.
1 ounce of dark rum. I didn't have it. Spice rum will be pretty close. Dark rum will get it a little more, that fruity flavor. But Captain Morgan doesn't a pinch.
I'm thinking maybe it should be 1.5 ounces.
I'm thinking you can have the rum.
Yeah. But why? Why is the rum gone?
We know
Thank you, Disney.
coconut rum.
Oh, we got coconut rum.
That's going to be added in here. 1 ounce. So pretty easy. 2 ounces pineapple juice, 2 ounces orange juice, 1 ounce spice or dark rum. Cracking would probably be better. 1 ounce of coconut rum, and then really should be apricot brandy. I don't have any apricot. I don't know a lot of people that keep that offhand, but peach schnapps will do on a plate. That's here.
Peach schnapps will do anytime.
So we'll give it that sweetness. Cut through some of that acidity of the juice. There you go. And he'd already gone through it. He's going to be gone by smash.
I'm going to be done by the end of this.
The juice is in here, your alcohol is in here, and then I'm going to take that up.
You shake it up. You just saying, you got to shake it up. Good Lord. Yes, that is exactly, well, not exactly, but it's pretty damn close. I get it.
Oh, by the way, to pour that over. And then pour that wonderful sunset color. You are going to add a splash of grenadine. Just a splash. Oops.
You could have done that with the rum. Just say it. 3 pour.
Pretty colors. And then the cherry on top. Let's make it 2.
Oh, you don't. All right, you got to try it.
And another piece. And sorry, no umbrellas or pineapple wedges. And our investments.
That's all right, because we got something coming up.
You know?
All right. So I didn't have enough on the first one. Yep, that's the Goombay Smash. Holy good Lord, you are good. Next week, we're going to feature a different drink. This one is my favorite.
So, yep, favorite, drop it in the comments.
Absolutely.
If you like the Goombay Smash, tag it, if you like it, whatever. And let us know that you've had it. It is a nice drink. I've had a little sweet, but I'm more of a whiskey kind of drink.
She is a whiskey kind of gal. I can't wait until she makes the s'mores one from the Schooner Bar. It's a
toasted marshmallow.
Yeah, the toast. It's s'mores. Toasted marshmallow.
It is it's chocolate bitters. It is
Yeah.
marshmallow. And the liqueur.
Yeah, it's,
Little trace.
oh. Yeah, it's kind of really good.
So, you know what?
Old fashioned. That's the word I was looking for. Dang it.
You know, I
My Goombay Smash is already kicking in.
drank all of that already. Since I'm doing, I'm like, you already down 2 of them? But
Gotta have fun.
I think my favorite, though, after being at Wonderland, which I've now is going to be gone, is the Cheshire. It has that nice tartness, and then the sweetness with the cotton candy. I think I go.
No meow meow. No meow meow. We actually have, speaking of, we'll have a video on Wonderland. So Wonderland is a very unique place on Royal, and unfortunately is going away. Some people love it. Some people hate it.
But I think once you have the experience, you really.
I would go back. They had a short rib there that was so good.
One and done, though, with a novelty.
Yeah, there was a bit of a novelty there. And having somebody go meow meow for an hour, although he did sing happy birthday to Kat, she got sung to like 25 times. Everyone we went.
Hey, cruise crew. We're Kat and Matt for Kat and Matt Getaways. We show you what really happens on cruises. This is real travel. The sunsets, the cocktails, the screw-ups, and the moments that make cruising worth it. We're travel agents who plan it like it's ours every time. That means you get real hacks, hidden ports, food worth splurging on, and the rookie mistakes you can skip. So if you want less stress, more laughs, and a cruise that actually feels like a vacation, hit subscribe and join the crew. Remember, until we see you again, shit happens.